Well, let's go on a little journey. You want to go on a field trip, maybe go to the back office to Save Club so you can kind of see how you can get deals. All right, because that's the most important thing. You're buying stuff already every month, right? So why not save money on things you're already buying or maybe buying in the future, okay? That is one of the most important things about Save Club. The second most important thing is the affiliate opportunity, okay? There's nothing wrong with earning money and saving money too, okay? I love saveclub.com. Go there. This is the page. I want you to watch this video of our founder. And then afterwards, I want you to fill in your information here real quick. Go ahead and click that orange button. I'm going to send you an email. Company's going to send you an email. And if you want to join, just open up the Save Club email and climb aboard. Okay? So for now, let's just leave this page for a second. And I want to go right over to my page here. Okay? Let's go ahead and check out just everything that's in the back office. All right? Now, this is the home page. All right, so if you log in, this is where you start. Your membership, you can join by the month or by the year. If you join by the year, you're going to make bigger commissions, your VIP. So if you join by the month, that's still great, $19.97, okay, or join by the year. It's totally up to you. I joined by the year because I want to make bigger commissions. So something for you to think about, okay? Here's the My Deals. You click that link, and this is where you just go all over planet Earth. Go crazy. Put your zip code in here. Salt Lake City, that's where I live. And you can put in pizza, gym, makeup, hardware store, all right? Whatever type of shopping you think you're going to do today, or maybe for the week, or maybe over the month, you want to plant grass, and you need fertilizer, and you need all of these certain things. Go ahead and just search. Okay, and if you find a store you go to, all you're going to do is bring your cell phone, click on the deal, and show that at the cash register or scan it. Or if you're at home like right now I am, I can even print out the coupon and just bring it down to the store. Okay, but you just need to search, guys. There's thousands and thousands. It would take me 10 hours just to do 1/10 of the deals because this is worldwide. This is worldwide. It is an online Groupon opportunity. So here in America, Groupon is very, very, very cool. Saves a lot of people money. But this is a worldwide thing. We're going to be all over China, Malaysia, and the Philippines is doing well right now. Of course, Africa, all over the UK, Canada, Mexico, of course. All right, just give us time because we're 16 days away from the launch. We're in pre-launch right now. So you need to sign up as an affiliate. You got $60. Get those three $20 bills out. Let's get you locked in. All right, and this is how you save money. Just go to My Deals. Okay, once again, do you see here? My Deals. Click right there and just search your buns off. Guys, if you're going to, I don't know, let's say Disneyland and you're doing some real big vacations that are expensive, save money. The flight there. Lyft. If you need a lift, use Lyft. All right, you need insurance, check it out. I have a couple friends already saving $100 a month by going through our portals here with insurance. Isn't that cool? All right, Dairyland, Nationwide is by your side. Look at this, cleaning. Look at that. The guys, they just go around and clean. All right, isn't that cool? Window Genie, get your windows nice and clean. I love this, Mosquito Joe and Lawn Pride. Anyway, guys, do you like food? All right, do you ever go to Subway by accident or maybe Burger King and get those little Whoppies? How about little Popeyes? Boy, there's some healthy food. Why don't you save money as you get a heart attack? All right, FedEx. Everybody uses FedEx. All right, here in America, oh my God, it's so popular. Legoland. Oh my gosh, look at my walls. I literally, half of the stuff in back of me are Lego kits. And Legoland, there's one in California and one in Florida. All right. Oh, it looks so much fun. I'd go there and go broke, that's for sure. But I have saved personally $400 on tires for my Hummer. $300 on a purple mattress, $17 on 2 car washes that I go to here each month in Salt Lake City. And of course, $5 here, $5 there, $10 here. All right, Walmart, Lowe's, every store that's a Fortune 500 company or a 100 or a Fortune 50. That means these are billion-dollar companies already have contracts with this opportunity. And that is just America. Wait until we get going worldwide. Guys, you're going to have 5 to 10 million people in this opportunity. And guess what? There's only like 10,000 right now. We're only on our third week. Okay, we're not even officially launched yet. So if you're watching me right now, do not take more, oh God, I don't know, don't take more than a day to think about this. If you join with me, great. Just at least join with somebody. Okay? Because during the pre-launch is awesome. But we're signing up thousands of people per day right now. And you could literally find somebody in China. It could be somewhere clear over, Philippines, maybe above me in Canada, sign up underneath you. And they sign up a city or a state or a country. All right, that does happen during pre-launch. Okay, there's a lot bigger groups that are made in the beginning because there's only so many of us that you can sign up. All right, half the people, they're just going to treat this as just a membership. They just want to save money on things they're already buying. But be an affiliate. Get those three $60 investment. That's all it is. $330. Oh my God, that is the best deal. Oh my gosh, you can't beat it, guys. So anyway, think about it. It's $19.97 a month. Okay, three $20 bills. That's it. You got this badass website. You got a capture page. And that's where people just go and watch this movie, a little video, and then they put their information right here. It's all built in. This is called the Power Line landing page. Okay. I like to call it my capture page. It's where I capture the excitement, get your information, and rock and roll, okay? So anyway, that's just where you go and spend 5 hours looking at deals all across the world. My info, that's self-explanatory. My order history, that just means so far I joined for 1 month, and then the second thing I did is I upgraded for the year, and it just shows my order history. My team, I got a big old team already. Okay, my referrals, it gives the information, the email address and name. All right, who I signed up, that's my enroller. The leaderboard, very exciting. Okay, let's just scroll down here. Yeah, you can see all the people here just kicking butt and taking names. Look, I'm number 9. Isn't that exciting? I should have 3 or 4 signups here by the end of today. Right now, it's pretty fresh and exciting on this. What is today anyway? It's May 14th. I forget what date it is. It's hump day. Okay, and then my websites, you just go there and get your website that you want to promote. Okay, it's your capture page. All right, now my earnings, this is important. If you sign up, see this button right here, the orange one? If you live in America, just configure your bank, like your Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or whatever your bank is. That way you get paid every Friday. And then if you want to buy something like a membership, obviously it needs to be hooked up. But this is one of the first things you need to do. This is just a side note. Click My Earnings and then select your payment option. Okay, it's super important that you do that, guys, okay? And then if you want to know the pay plan, all you got to do is just go to the very bottom of your cell phone, or just go to the very bottom of, the bottom left of your home screen. Do you see where it says saveclub.com pay plan right there? Okay, here's the 5 ways we get paid. All right, the first one is if you guys just sign up right now, I make anywhere from $20 to $32, depending on my rank and how many people are signed up. Plus, I signed up for the year, so I'm VIP. So let's say I make $20. Thank you. You bought me breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Number 2 is kind of cool. You make a bunch of 50-cent pieces, and this is confusing. I'm not going to try to even talk about the matrix commissions, but it's nice. This is all figured out for you. But when people start filling up ranks and levels, you get a bunch of 50-cent pieces. All right, and enough about that. My thing that I want you to focus on is number 1, you get $20 to $32 instantly. Every Friday we pay. So if you sign up right now, thank you. Now, number 3, see generational matching bonus. Guys, I can make a matching bonus on my whole group, my whole team. This is where the big money comes in. It's nice to make $20 here, $32 here. It's awesome to save a couple $100 a month on things I'm already buying. But boy, when I start rolling and getting a bunch of people in my downline, this number 3, this is the big enchilada. Okay, so focus on it. All right, but don't get all confused because you're going to see the yearly VIP membership bonuses. You're going to get $10 if you're a first, 5, second, third. That just means if you sign up for the year right now, I get a $10 perk. So thank you. Okay, I make $5, $3 on if someone signs up underneath you and if they sign up underneath them. But anyway, that's a bunch of $10, $5, and $3 bills that are just built in. Okay, and then the leadership bonus pools, these are going to get big. This is where 1, 2, 3, 4% of the total income every 30 days, and it's going to be millions at one point. if you're qualified as a 1 or a 2, 3, 4, or 5 star, okay, you're going to share. All right, you're going to share a lot of cheese, man, a lot of cake on that table. Okay, so you can look into that once you go to saveclub.com pay plan. But the leadership bonus pools is always exciting. And this is all automatically configured. So when you get paid, you can learn in real time what the pay plan is. But guys, it's awesome. We are a membership-based company. You don't have to buy a darn thing to earn with us. We're not an MLM like that. But we have really high-powered pay. Doctor pay, lawyer pay, rock star pay, adult film star pay. I don't know what it is, but boy, if you start making big money, pat yourself on the back, because you joined at the right time. Because like I said, we're 16 days away from launch. Okay, I didn't say lunch, I said launch. Okay, so let's get you in, or when the getting's good, okay? So anyway, let me just show you my business card. Where is that darn thing? There it is. This is all I do. Once I join for $60, I paid my $19.97, okay? What I did is I bought ilovesaveclub.com, and I have GoDaddy forward it to my capture page, which you're going to get once you join. Easy. That's all I do. Once everything is set up, I just simply invite you to that link. There's nothing left for me to do. There's customer support, which is support@saveclub.com. So if you have issues with your credit card, let's say, or even cryptocurrency, we're very safe with cryptocurrency, okay? A lot of countries don't have banks on every corner like I do here in Utah. I have someone in Guam and Ghana, if I'm saying those countries right. They just use cryptocurrency. It's a pain in the butt. They said the banks are a nightmare, but they can safely just sit in their home and get an app open and just pay safely with cryptocurrency, okay? So we take all forms of payment because we're a worldwide company. We know that China has their own favorite way to pay, just like here in America, Visa, MasterCard, there's banks everywhere. But don't worry about it. We'll work it out. And if you have any questions about payment, go to support@saveclub.com. They'll help you out, all right? Especially Jeremy. He's helped me out quite a bit, so thank you, Jeremy. All right, well, that's it, guys. I'll wrap this video up. It looks like 12 minutes. That's enough time. I think you're going to like the savings. You're going to dig saving on things you're already buying. And you're going to really love when you start earning money just by sharing the information. It's a good feeling, guys, really. So I love saveclub.com. Please go there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that is it, guys. Bam, home run. Look at that. Boom, I swung and hit a home run on this video. Okay? And I want you to get a home run too. So let's get you aboard. All right? You got 16 days before the pre-launch is done. And that's it, guys. I love saveclub.com. Okay, have a good day. Talk to you soon.